Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart.
My Girlfriend is an Alien. Now, this is a recent Korean drama, and it's an intergalactic romance drama. That means the female character from some other space comes to Earth somehow. Actually, she comes to Earth to search her some device, some hoarding device which she felt that is there on the Earth, and to search that particular device, she comes to the Earth. And over here, she meets with a CEO, a well-established CEO, and who suffers from amnesia. Now, amnesia is basically a disease where a person forgets certain things for a period of time, which is not exactly a disease. It may be due to lack of sleep or due to stress. Like it's not a disease, but a person forgets certain things. So here, this the male character, he is a CEO and he suffers from amnesia, where he forgets certain things for a period of time. So in this situation, that is whenever it rains, no, he forgets about the female who is around him. So this is an unusual circumstances which were created, and ultimately both of them, that is the girl who comes from some other space to Earth and this CEO, both of them, they falls into love with each other, and it creates an unusual romantic drama between the two. So let's see the trailer of this particular Korean drama.
我是一个来自外星的陈小青，陈小青。他是一个地球的霸道总裁。这个是个
So he's the CEO, she's the alien.
哎，外卖好好的，记得给我5星好评啊！
你干什么？
我在做饭。
She's cooking, the alien is cooking.
再去不理我。
你怎么掉床上？要是就是我的事。
谁纠缠你了？小七呀，你知道吧？在地球上3样东西是骗不了人的：打喷嚏、贫穷，还有爱。
So they started to fall in love with each other, enjoying each other's company.
我是不会喜欢你。
今日放猎鹿。哥，我知道。我跟小七在一起的时候。
Both of them love each other, they enjoy each other
小七呀，
being
有
together.
时候喜欢一个人的感觉是骗不了人的。
So from the trailer, I could make out that this is an adventurous, unusual love story which has got love, romance, comedy and emotion. There are certain scenes which are very emotional, and we'll find that when both the two, that is the actor and the actress, when they are together, certain scenes like they become too close to each other, and certain kiss scenes are also there, which really we feel good while watching them. It's full of love. We can say it's an unusual romantic love drama which has got certain comedy also. Now we have to watch whether the alien who comes from some other country, whether she stays to Earth or whether she goes back. Like, although both of them, they falls in love with each other, but what happens in the end? Whether she like both of them, they are in love with each other, but this alien, she has to go back to her planet. Whether she stays to the Earth or whether she goes back. So that we have to find out after watching the drama, and after watching this trailer, I really felt good. But just the trailer is not sufficient. I would ask everyone to watch this Korean drama, and as far as I know, everybody, you all are going to enjoy it. So please don't miss it out. Just make sure that you watch the full drama, and I'm sure everybody will enjoy watching this particular Korean drama. It's full of passion, love, romance, caring for each other, and both of them, they seem to be a happy couple. I found they both of them, they are the best couple when they are acting in the drama. No, they look to be the best couple into this particular drama. So you will really enjoy watching this particular drama. Please don't miss it. See that you make it a point that you watch the full Korean drama. Even I am going to watch it if I'll get a chance to watch it.